This is Mabel's Tables, and I'm doing a collab with Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, and her hosts are Jill Style, The Grace Life DIY, and At Home with Lisa. I am doing the Entertaining for the Holidays 22. That's what they wanted us to put on the video, so Marilyn can be able to find the video and place it on the playlist. This is what I have decorated for two for the holidays, because you know two can dine well for the holidays if you decorate it the right way. I would like to talk to you a little about Jill's style. Now you all know Jill has her own style, and what a beautiful style it is. Jill looks so good when she modeled those hats, but I haven't seen her in a hat lately, and her decor in her living room and her tablescapes are beautiful. So go on over to Jill's Style and check her out. And the Grace Life DIY, Anna, you know Anna, she does the Tablescape Tuesdays, and she does the Sophisticated Saturdays Tablescape. And Anna is a great DIYer. Go on over and check her out, honey. You don't know what you're missing by not going and checking these ladies out. And then At Home with Lisa. Oh my word. Lisa is the cutest little creator you have ever seen. She decorates her home, her countertop, her little table, and her area. The last thing she decorated, I'm sorry, I'm getting tie-tongue, I'm so sorry. The last thing that she decorated was her little console area with that black bars and that gold accent. I thought that was really, really beautiful, Lisa. I really loved it. And Marilyn, y'all know Marilyn. Marilyn is the cream of the crop. Marilyn does tablescape. She does a little cooking. I did hear her say on a video, just a little cooking, and she do shopping hauls. And Marilyn also is a one of a kind creator. Y'all go on over and check these ladies out. Come on now, go to Jill Style, The Grace Life DIY, and At Home with Lisa, and Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. You will be so glad you did. And thank you, Marilyn, for being the host, and thank you, hostesses Jill, Anna, and Lisa. Thank you all for having such a beautiful collab. This is Mabel's Table saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well, and He is living, should be living down in our soul. Mabel's Table saying, adieu.